Edge String delivers an amazing bowling experience, simple carefree operation, and exceptional performance and quality. Delivering these benefits much better than the alternatives has made Edge String the #1 selling string machine in the world. Let's take a closer look at the innovation and technology that sets Edge String apart. Edge String has the tallest pin shield in the industry, so it really hides the pins and strings better when the machine cycles between frames of play. The area around the pins is finished completely in black for a nice finished appearance, which also masks the strings and highlights the pins during play. Lastly, the center punch pin lighting illuminates the pins in colorful effects that react to on-lane events, such as strikes and spares. Effects are easily programmed and controlled through the Conqueror X and Best X systems. With Edge String, you get the best safety features of any string machine. That's peace of mind for you and your employees. It starts with Edge String's 100% rear operation layout, which delivers convenient and safe day-in, day-out operation. Add to that integrated guarding, which supports a safe working environment. And last but not least, Edge String includes the tools you need to promote safe work practices, including a pin hook for grabbing pins, lane barriers, and a lockout tagout kit. An easy-to-use icon-based controller with real buttons gives staff all the info they need and nothing they don't. And the software is always kept current through Conqueror Cloud. This is for viewing and adjusting machine settings. This LCD displays the machine status and operational messages. These simple keypads are all your staff would use in day-in, day-out operation. There is one for each machine. Edge String uses better technology, such as digital sensors and 24-volt DC technology, top quality parts, and a modular layout. This ensures excellent reliability and longevity, and makes for easier servicing when attention is needed. These 24-volt DC modular drive boxes control the Pinspotter and ball lift motors. And the advanced 24-volt DC gear motors which power the machines are compact and maintenance-free. There are 10 brake encoder units per machine. These tell the machine which pins have been knocked down, and they hold up pins that are not in play for second ball. The brake encoder unit is critical to proper string machine operation, so we made the quality and precision superior to the competition. The open design makes swapping out an encoder quick, in just a fraction of the time of competitor machines. It also makes access for servicing easy. The encoder wheel turns when a pin gets hit, activating the optical sensor and telling the machine a pin has been knocked down. We use a ball bearing to ensure smooth rotation and longevity. The pin brake solenoid engages the pin brake pawl to hold up pins that are not in play for second ball. The pin area is easy to access. Just slide the pin curtain back and out of the way. The pin hook allows users to safely grab pins when needed, such as for untangling, rotating, or replacement. Pins are attached to the string using a simple figure-8 knot and can be removed for replacement or for rotation. The only adjustments on Edge String are for string length and drive chain tension, and these have gauges built in to guide users. An LED indicator lights up red to show users if any strings need adjusting, and if so, which strings. A string adjustment can be done in less than a minute. When the LED goes out, the adjustment was done correctly. The tension adjustment for the Pinspotter drive chain is easy. The gauge shows when adjustment is needed and that it has been done right. Just 6 tools cover most operation and maintenance, and all the tools you need to service Edge String are included. Compared to traditional free-fall machines, the space required for a work area and spare parts inventory is astronomically less. Edge String uses the industry's #1 selling AMF pin. The pins have a small hole drilled in the top for attaching the string. The string is actually a durable nylon composite rope derived from that used for climbing and sailing applications. A unique string sleeve makes it harder for pins to wrap around the tops of each other, reducing occurrences of tangles by over 60%. If pins tangle, intelligent software targets tangled pins, varying pulling speed and force. The system resolves over 99.99% of frames bowled. Edge String's 24-volt DC gear motors are over 95% efficient and run only when needed. It uses less power than the typical household coffee maker. Edge String's robust design, built in the USA with high-quality components, will do battle with boulders and high lineage centers for decades and win.